I know there are different triggers to your anger. One day it's your partner, and another day it might be your children, and another day it might be somebody on the street or a car in the traffic that cuts in front of you, or perhaps it's even what you see on the TV or something you read. You get angry. Here's the wisdom that I want to share with you. The trigger of your anger doesn't really matter, but the effect of your anger will always be felt in the same way. In other words, what triggers the anger is not of consequence, but what the anger does to you is of great consequence. Because when you get angry, the first thing that happens is that you lose your peace of mind. So remember this line of mine: anger is a thief of your peace. The second thing that happens is that when you're angry, you cannot be happy. In other words, you become very unhappy. And therefore, remember this line: anger is also a thief of happiness. And what is happiness? Happiness is your greatest treasure. The other thing that happens, which you never see, is that when you're angry, when you're full of anger, you're also full of certain chemicals, which are called the stress hormones. Chemicals like adrenaline, which get you ready to fight. And that's why when you're angry, you're full of energy because you want to hit someone, or you want to run and you want to shout and you want to do something. Now it feels good for a short period of time, but you know what's happening is that these chemicals are being absorbed in your cells, and they are called stress hormones for a reason. Adrenaline, cortisol are called stress hormones for a reason, because they create a great amount of stress inside you. So the more you get angry, the more you are full of the stress hormones, and the more you feel stressed out. And as a result of all this, you age faster, your health deteriorates, and you are not happy. You lose your peace of mind. So tell me, is anger really worthwhile? Who does anger hurt the most? The one who holds it. It does not hurt the person you are angry at as much as it hurts you yourself. So if you're a person who constantly gets angry, I want you to know that you are a self-destructive person. And why does anger arise? This question has been asked for centuries. For thousands of years, people have got angry and wondered why this happened. The answer is only one. And if you're honest enough today and you look deep inside yourself today, you will arrive at the same answer. The root cause of anger is always a need for control. You want to control your life. You want to control an event. You want to control another person. You want to control a result. And when that doesn't happen, you feel angry. So anger arises when a desire is thwarted. In other words, you want something to happen and it doesn't happen, you get angry. Or you don't want something to happen and it happens and you get angry. Think of today's lesson as a masterclass in anger. If you're getting angry, it's because you're trying to control too much. So ease up a little bit, chill out a little bit, relax, chillax as the teens would call it. Take a chill pill and only focus on what's really important. And what's not, you just have to learn to ease up, open your hands and release the control a little bit. Why? Because you value your life, you value your health, you value your happiness, you value your peace of mind. When you're angry, remember, you hurt yourself the most, and then you also hurt the ones around you. Usually these are the ones you love, the ones you care for. So anger serves nothing. In most cases, anger is a completely destructive, toxic emotion. And I want you to have a happy life, so I'm here to tell you, release control, lessen your anger.